Yo, what's going on, fellas? It is Quick Drop. It's been a minute. I know. We're gonna be getting started today with a brand new set of futures. Starting here on the ES futures, we're doing all this live. We're gonna get rid of basically everything here that we've had previously. Just a whole lot of them. That's a whole lot, man. Just gonna select it all. Just bam. Alrighty, there we go. So, alright, so we got our futures pulled up here. Let's go ahead and chart a little bit of resistance. Get some Alt-H there. A little bit of Alt-H there. It's two really good zones. A little small zone here and probably a small zone there. So, into the early morning hours, we're breaking out of this sort of tiny little triangle pattern. Oh, God. There goes my dog. I have to remember all the hotkeys. What's the hotkey for this? Okay, so just shift, I guess. That didn't work. Okay, well, we're just not going to do the hotkeys then. Alt-T, that's what it was. Alrighty. That's not where I was supposed to go. Sorry, man, my mouse is a little janked up. Anyway, you can see this little triangle that we're forming. We are breaking out of this ascending triangle as we speak. Looking to head way higher here into the early morning hours. We took a big jump here, and we're only forming more strength as we go on. Volume looks to be increasing. The hour is young currently, or 30 minutes, into the hour. So we should be seeing this volume increase a little bit more before we maybe die off and touch the line again. But other than that, ES futures are looking really strong with bullish action. And onto the NASDAQ Futurinos. Perfect time to come back, man. We've got all these nice, pretty patterns to check out. So we got another triangle sort of thing going on here. There's probably a little bit of Elliott wave theory crap you could do here, but I'm not that smart, so I don't really deal with all that. We've just got this, not necessarily a perfect resistance area, but we've just got this resistance zone relatively close to this line. And if I just increase this out, we can just see where these two meet. And there we go. Alrighty, so we should have a little bit of a fun time heading into the early morning hours, as we don't really have any major resistance in this smaller zone. We've got maybe one small resistance here, which we're breaking over right now. So we're looking really bullish here. We should break out of this pennant, or this, I guess pennant, this bull flag somewhere in the early morning hours between, I don't know, 9:30 to like maybe noon or so, if we're going to get anywhere. If not, we'll end the day right around the end, and we'll have time to break out in the aftermarket hours. But it's looking really bullish so far. YM futures, good old Dow futures, never fail. Good lord, they failed. Oh man, that's rough. Alrighty, so we can just plot here, and man, this is steep. It's weird whenever I see the NASDAQ being more chill than the Dow futures, and we haven't really moved that much considering these lines are still here. But that's fine. So we haven't picked a direction yet, but with the other two indices moving up, I'm willing to bet, especially coming across this all-time high. I believe that's an all-time high. Yeah, since we're coming across this all-time high, it's more likely that we're going to reach these higher levels soon. We've already hit once, so I think it's likely that we're going to sort of come up as we already have, break down for a little bit, maybe drop one more level, and then start heading up again. That should happen in the next couple of days, possibly over the weekend. But the ideal scenario would look something like this. That way we have a perfect strong breakout for Monday. Although we could break out just today. We're moving pretty sporadically. Like we literally had an exponential curve here, and then we started another exponential curve here, and then we're just all over the place here with super high volume. So early into the morning hours, we'll see what the market decides to pick, bullish or bearish. I doubt it's going to be flat. If we go flat, it's going to be choppy flat. But if we're bullish, we're going to break strong here. So just be watching for that in the morning if you're looking for some quick plays. If we do break here on the upside, it's going to be pretty strong with some high volume based on the previous days and what I'm seeing. Market's also looking pretty fragile lately. These big volume spikes and the big down moves and up moves kind of scare me with the Dow. I usually consider the Dow to be a little bit more stable, although previous history has definitely proven me wrong. But I usually like the Dow more than the other indices because we don't just necessarily take big gap moves up and down and up and down. It's usually more of a channel type thing like we have here. And we do have a bit of a channel forming, a rising channel, which I didn't draw, but we will do now. And we got, hold on, give me 1 second. Alright, so yeah, we've got this, we've got the bottom line somewhere around here. It's more of a zone than a channel. But you can kind of see this little line that we're forming here. This is actually a bearish pattern, but this is a rising wedge, which is usually not good. However, it's been a while. I think it's a rising wedge, but yeah, this is usually a bearish pattern. However, the top line is like less than like 30 degrees in angle, so it really won't matter that much as long as we can break over with aggression. So like I said, if everything goes bullish tomorrow morning, then we may end the week on a strong note. I personally want tomorrow to be a slow day. If we have tomorrow as a slow day, we have the entire next week to just absolutely expand as exponential as we want to. So let's take a look at tomorrow and see what happens. But I'll give you guys a really big update Sunday night on what's going to happen. What I'm looking for here, like I said, slow day. If we get that slow day, we'll have a great Monday, I'm telling you. Anyway, that's going to be about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I apologize for being gone for so long. I didn't trade the market for a long time. I'm trying to get back into it, but yeah, that's about it. See you guys later. Have a good day tomorrow. Trade safe, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.